do reading for fun. And that's my favorite way. Whatever I've learned in my life, I've just done that through reading. So I would recommend read a lot. If you're an entrepreneur, I would strongly recommend this book called The Maverick. It's about this particular person who inherited this company called Semco and converted it from like government-run business to an extremely democratic business of sorts. Amazing book. I would strongly recommend that you read that. Lee Iococca, for all those people who don't know Lee Iococca, his autobiography is very, very amazing. He was the one who fought with Ford and still made it happen. That's one more really good book that I would recommend. One last recommendation that I would give is this wonderful book that I've been recently given called Predictable Revenue. It's written by the person who headed pre-sales for Salesforce. And whatever is SFDC or Salesforce is today is because of this person. So definitely read this book called Predictable Revenue. I was so engrossed, I finished it in one day, and you'll find a lot of tips there.